black Cadillac, high heel boots, and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's back.
So guys, eto medyo mahirap palaban nila. Easy Jersey versus Brusco Brothers. Bakit? Kasi mga player talaga to, malulupit to eh. Enjoy the show.
Alright, so bago po tayo mag-simula mga kaibigan, Brusco Brothers versus Easy Jersey. Kapanayan
Yung
po
team
natin,
dapat
mga
nandito
kaibigan,
eh.
ang mainit na mainit. Talagang hype na hype. Boss Jonah. Ito na, pinapangarap nila mga katapatan ni Kali. No? Anong masasabi mo sa upcoming matchup ninyo? Ako mismo excited ako sa laban na ito.
Ito naman ang Battle of Cavite.
Yes.
Kali Irving and Boss Jonah. Our marquee matchup
Will it be skills or hustle? Grabe.
Magkakaalam. What a matchup here. What a treat for all the fans.
Magkakaalaman din kung kanino ba ang etiba.
Eto.
And,
Ang matatalo pala dito, partner, lilipat na
Sa championship game.
Lilipat na sa ibang city.
Lilipat na.
yun pala yung pusta.
Mapipilit ang lumipat ng bahay.
Pero nakakuha agad ng foul si Boss Jonah ng Brusco Brothers.
So here they have Jonah, Luis Eman, and Super Jerry.
Let's
First
go!
point for Jonah in the ballgame.
Ito na.
For Easy Jersey naman, they have Kyle Ives, Lebron TV, and Kalye Irving.
Here we go, Boss Jonah.
Jonah.
Follow
Follow by Jonah. Oh, no count, sabi na referee.
Basket moved down.
Talaga pong nagigigil ang ating Boss Jonah.
At partner, no, kahapon, yung anak ni Boss Jonah naglaro din. Napakahusay din.
And he is the MVP
Yeah, for our
for the season 2.
Look at Jonah, he wants the basketball.
And stepping on the line for Bossing Jonah.
And what a matchup here for Kyle Ives.
And no easy basket, mga partner. No?
Wala talaga, grabe. Kali Irving, hesitation on the 2.
No good on his first try.
Eman.
At hindi dapat maging kumpiyansa ang Brusco dito dahil ito,
Go, Jeric!
si Kali Irving, although ang babata nito, matataas tumalo nito, no? So no
Grabe.
easy pass.
Kali Irving sidestep.
Will have himself a free throw here.
Ito naman si Kyle Ives, napakahusay din niya nung last season. Kamukha lang niya si Jimwell Pacquiao, pero mahusay talaga mag-basketball yan.
Grabe talaga. So looks can be the same.
Alam mo, napakaganda ng matchup natin, ano? Lebron TV and Super Jerry. Makikita natin yung mga pasahe nila sa isa't isa dyan.
Hoy! Grabe naman. Yung
Nice,
indikat
man!
pala itong mga Brusco Brothers, mga kaibigan.
Here we go, Bossing Jonah will try inside.
Oh!
And wow,
Defense on the part of Ives.
Wow! I mean,
what a body for Jonah.
Yes, advanced skill yun, no? Ni,
Lebron!
LeBron
Oh, Jeric!
show.
and give it to Kali Irving.
Ito, Kali Irving, moving.
Oh, what a
Ballerina pa sa ere si Kali Irving, ha? Nagbalik.
Binali-bali pa, no?
Jonah, tinirahan si Kali Irving.
No good.
Rebounded by Brum Show. Jimwell Este, Kyle Ives.
Kali Irving.
Oh! The face of Boss Jonah.
Yes, you need to respect Kali Irving kasi may handle at may tira.
Huwag mo pagbibigyan sa team. Here we go again. No good.
Basa ka pala yun.
Again, this Brum show. Here we go. Touching the glass.
And it is 4-1 in favor of Easy Jersey, mga kaibigan.
Lamang na po ang Easy Jersey.
2 minutes gone by in our semifinal match.
Jonah versus Kyle Ives.
Sizing it up.
Oh!
Wow, on the gas.
Pero mapapansin natin yung presensya nitong si Kali Irving, yung help niya nandun agad. Pag alam niya malapit na si Boss Jonah sa ring, tutulungan niya sa depensa. Si Kyle
Yung
Ives.
double team nila.
Once again.
Here we go, Bossing
Jonah. Jonah Reds Jacob!
Wow.
He has all 2 points for Brusco.
Pero syempre
Kali
dapat
Irving. 3 seconds
3 seconds violation.
to Eman.
Staying too long on the shaded area is
Sorry, to Brum show pala. So, okay. Ayan. The ball will be with Boss Jonah. And a scuffle. Broom Broom Show. Pushing inside. Pero loses it. Eman.
Yes.
To Jeric. Jeric. To
Ito
Boss
na.
Jonah. Boss Jonah.
Jonah versus Broom Broom Show.
Uy, what a
Passing to
scuffle.
Jeric.
Go, Jeric.
Jeric.
Oh! Slowly but surely!
Like walking in the moon.
Parang ini-slow mo.
Ganun pala. Parang may pinindot na slow-mo. And all are just watching.
Very smart move na by the Super Jerry.
Of Jared. Tali Irving. Pass
Oh! What a crazy shot by Kanye Irving!
Spectacular move by Irving.
At papawin
Ito na,
Boss
Jonah.
Jonah. Boss Jonah pushing it through and a foul.
Pero alam mo, tama yung ginagawa ni Jonah eh. Kasi kahit may foul na, tinutuloy niya pa yan, no? For a chance of a 2-point play.
Ibang klase talaga ng gigigil talaga ang ating Boss Jonah. He wants to score. Boss Jonah.
Jonah,
Posting up. Inside. Pushing through.
traveling violation on Jonah.
Alam mo, how many times na natin nakita yun, no? Ives with some good defense against Jonah.
Ito, Kanye Irving.
Oh, wow.
Oh! Nice defense.
And sabi ni Eman, not in my watch.
And naklip yata yung right arm doon ni Kali Irving. So he earned himself a free throw. As we take a look at that replay, a clear foul.
Ito na.
It's a foul.
5-3 in favor of Easy Jersey.
Alam mo yung mga ganyan sa buhok, plus 2 agility yan, kaya may ganyan yun.
Dapat may headband. And a timeout called for Team Brusco Brothers.
So 6-3 na, partner. Kalahati ang lamang.
Wala akong kwentuhan dito kasi ang Brusco andun.
So far, no?
Oh.
Medyo lagi
Dito kayo.
ang focus.
Hihirapan si Boss John kasi malakas talaga ang mga pang-ilalim na
Pero bakit apat ang Easy Jersey ngayon?
Wala support time, boss.
papasok kasi
Dapat
Pat
nandito
Davis,
eh. Walang nag-cheer.
Cabalin Hoops and Kylie Menes checks in for the first time in the semifinals bout.
Eto na, push.
Hoy! Sinakasaan ni Jonah! Oh my goodness! What a move by Jonah against Jacob.
Parang gusto sabihin ni Bossing Jonah, ayang-aya ko kayo sa loob. Kita naman ang game highlights, talagang pinilit.
Alam mo, parang kailangan ng pumasok ng Russell Brusco eh. Oo.
Okay, so there's a call.
I believe they are clearing. That's the second
Technical
fraction of not clearing the ball.
Technical on Gerald.
Ba't winarningan?
So Kali Irving,
Ang init ng laban na to mga partner, parang nakaka-tense.
alam mo talagang ang mga kapitin yung laban, mainit agad yan.
Iba talaga. And Gary, make it in.
Battle of the Pride yung nakikita ko dito, ano?
Ang at stake dito ay ang kanilang citizenship.
Ayun na nga.
Bilang Caviteño.
Kung sino man natalo, magbabayad.
Kanye Irving. Oh!
Kali Irving with 6 points already.
Bossing Jonah.
Jonah! Oh! Jonah! What a move by Jonah!
What a sensational move from Boss Jonah Renz.
Grabe.
Grabe, palitan ng mga galawan, mga kaibigan.
Sabi ni Bossing Jonah, kung kanina hindi pumapasok ang aking mga shot, ibahin nyo ngayon.
Alam mo, this really has been becoming Jonah versus Kalye.
And it's too short. Bossing Jonah. Too strong. And a foul.
No other choice for Kali Irving that time.
Foul on Easy Jersey. Brusco Brothers basketball.
That's the 4th team foul of Easy Jersey.
Here we go, Evan finding Bossing Jonah.
Jonah na naman.
Goes inside.
Oh,
Foul.
How about the wave from Kali Irving?
Medyo nasobrahan si Bossing Jonah doon.
But yun yung sinasabi natin kanina mga partner. The other members of Team Brusco Bros needs to contribute, no? Kasi, syempre, pwedeng mapagod din si Jonah.
Correct, hindi kaya ni Bossing Jonah.
Kalye. Rebound by Brusco Brothers.
Eman.
Here's Eman.
Oh!
Blocked by Abalin.
Kali Irving, hesitation. And Ali Irving, pass to Kyle. And
Jimenez, no go.
no good.
Go, Jeric!
Jeric goes inside.
Using his size.
Walang foul!
Walang
foul.
Kyle Jimenez goes inside.
Oh, nice block by the Bruno brothers. No?
Walang foul kay Jeric!
Kita mo naman kung gaano kabilis si Kyle Jimenez taking the opportunity and opening inside.
I think related itong Jimenez na ito. Dapat di malapit!
Correct.
Check it out.
Real talk. Kaya pala.
Nasa Abalin.
And the ball will go to
Flexing his muscle. Kuis Eman down on the floor, has to be held.
medyo na ano lang. Out of runs.
Walang friendly matchup dito. Seryoso.
Walang tropa dito.
And, but at least you can see the sportsmanship of Kali Irving. And a nice pass!
Oh!
Wow!
Kali Irving putting a
Go,
little bit of
Jonah!
a show.
Nice pass from Kyle Jimenez connecting to Kyle.
Oh! Very smart play that time by Brusco brothers.
Super Jeric scores off the putback.
Oh, loses yet. Kyle Jimenez
Nice,
loses
Gary!
yet.
No look pass.
Oh! There's a block from behind by Jared.
An orange basketball here.
Still 4-point lead by Easy Jersey, 10-6.
And the Brusco brothers must pressure this.
Second offensive foul. Alam mo, nakikita natin dito yung basketball IQ ni Kali Irving, no?
And
Nakukutakan niya si Boss Jonas.
Sabi nga ni Boss Jonah, flop daw, flop.
Yes.
Uy,
Pero yun lang, medyo natulog sa depensa ang Brusco brothers doon.
Grabe.
Balik
Yes.
sa 5.
Grabe slashing through the defense.
Hindi ba
Kali
pwedeng
Irving.
matulog sa depensa o kaya malingat man lamang sa larong ito?
Yan, semifinals na to, no? So,
Kita-kita kung paano nilagay ni Kali Irving the bucket for Kali Irving.
all the way for
Boston
No good.
Misses the one-hander.
Kali Jimenez. Kali Jimenez is setting up the play, taking the two. No good.
Rebound.
Jared. Jonah! Eto na naman!
Too strong.
Oy, foul na dapat yun! Lagitik na! Putang ina! Lagitik na eh!
There is
Walang foul ng puta.
on the faces of Brusco brothers.
Yes, alam mo talagang palaban itong mga Brusco.
Lagitik na!
Hindi ito, walang light play dito. Palaban talaga itong mga ito.
That's the
Kanina pa eh.
sixth team foul. So no more fouls to give for either team.
And we have a 5-point lead in favor of
Jared!
Easy Jersey.
Oh! Nakita mo naman yun. Ay, ito na, muntik. Yun ang strategy ng Easy Jersey eh. Pag nakaka-score yung Brusco, labas agad si Kali Irving. Ang talino din eh.
Mabilis talaga ang play ng Easy Jersey.
Oh, Kali Irving will be called for a technical due to faking a foul.
That's very crucial para sa ganitong klase ng laro.
Correct, and there's only 4-point lead in favor of Easy Jersey, and Bossing Jonah will take a technical chance of putting it in. Oh!
And also Team Kali here, Easy Jersey over the limit.
Sayang ang opportunity for Bossing Jonah. And here we go. Pasok
Ito
Bossing
na,
Jonah. Here we go.
Jonah, once again. Ayaw ng tulong ni Jonah.
Posting it up. Pipilitin.
Oh! Another jump shot by Jonah Jacob.
And look at the face of Bossing Jonah.
Alam mo, hindi na ako magtataka pag bukas may scout na from PBA ang kumontak dito Pero hindi papakawalan ng motivated transfer yan.
Correct, hindi papakawalan because they will lose a great player here at the motivated next team. And connects and with a wave to the crowd. Bossing Jonah.
11-9, 2-point deficit in favor of Easy Jersey.
Here we go.
Ang pwede talaga ng laban. Tigigil na ako.
Here we go. Bossing Jonah will it connect.
And again,
Too short.
8 fouls already for Easy Jersey.
Oh!
Blue ball. Some blue ball.
Grabe yung intensity ng bawat koponan, walang gustong magpatalo.
Motivated 3x3. Tenacity at his finest.
Ito, Brum humingi sa loob.
Layup no good.
Go, Jeric! Let's go, Jeric!
Jeric! Oh!
Oh!
A move by Jeric. May
Super Jeric slicing and dicing.
Kali Irving. And 3 seconds.
3 seconds violation again. Turnover.
So this naman, Brusco can tie things up or take the lead with a 2.
Timeout.
Timeout for Team
Timeout
Easy
called
Jersey.
by Easy Jersey.
Alam mo mga partner, the lead as big.
30 seconds timeout by Easy Jersey.
Alam mo dito ng Easy Jersey, committed 8 fouls already. So any foul committed,
Ayun na.
again by them.
Lagi ka na kanina, wala pa din ah.
For Brusco Brothers.
Kaya lagi ka na.
The lead as big as 5 points.
Pero nakikirig na ako. Lagi ka na, walang foul.
3 minutes remaining
Imposible.
here in our semi-finals. Sinong makakalaban ng Team Dogi para sa ating championship ball game?
Pero still, ramdam na ramdam po natin ang intensity sa mukha ng bawat manlalaro.
Grabe. It was a 6-point lead earlier. It's down to 1.
Ito na, Jeric.
Go, Jeric!
Spinner. Oy,
Good
Still.
try on Librum.
humingi na pa, pero hindi na big. Kylie Irving.
That's
Oh, no crossover. Oh, nakakuha ka ng foul doon. Kylie Irving.
Pinapasayaw ang Brusco Brothers ni Kali Irving.
Alam mo nga, hindi na gaano nakakakuha ng look dito si Kylie Irving kasi yung labanan ay talagang ikot, ano? Hindi lang nakatutok sa kanya ang kay Jonah.
Here we go for Kali Irving. And it's a 2-point lead for Easy Jersey. One more shot.
So Brusco also committed 7th foul. So 2 free throws also for Easy Jersey.
Both teams nasa penalty na tayo.
And another for Kali Irving. 3-point lead for Easy Jersey.
Jerry Karap!
Dario lines it up. Dario!
Brusco got lucky that time. Ito, Kylie Irving. Pero mapansin mo yung balik agad ng Easy Jersey. Sobrang bilis.
Flapper!
Ayan na po. Disappointment for Brusco Brothers.
Pero nakikita natin yung leadership ni Jonah, yung presence of mind. Both teams are under penalty, very crucial kapag magpi-free throw.
Alam ni Bossing Jonah that they don't need to foul. Pero pinaul na kanyang teammate.
Who is Eman back on the floor replacing Dario?
Tatawag na timeout dito ang Brusco Brothers.
And we still have time. We still have 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Napakahaba pa nito mga partner.
Kakayanin pa kaya ng Brusco Brothers.
Look at that consistency from Kali Irving.
Wow! What a spin move. And Bossing Jonah is hurt.
Down on the floor is Kobe ng Cavite.
Oy!
Oy!
Jersey Bossing Jonah.
Sumainis get up pa.
Alam mo guys, kung si Jonah ang Kobe ng Cavite, may isa lang akong suggestion. Huwag siyang bibili ng helicopter.
Bossing Jonah. Hyping the crowd. The Chinese get up pa inside the court.
So again, this is 2 free throws. No good on the first, but one more for Boss Jonah.
3-point lead. Bossing Jonah will try. And it's a no good.
Sorry, miss again.
Rebound by Jeric! Oh! And Brusco got lucky, mga kaibigan.
It's good, it's good. The referee is there, it's good. The referee is there, it's good. Okay, guys, the referee is there, so it's all good. Okay, it's all good. Here we go, Kali Irving
2-point ball game.
will try for 2. And the
Jeric
rebound.
secure the rebound.
And
Brusco! Oh! One point ball game!
One
Ako
point
babalik agad ng
lead.
Easy Jersey.
Oh,
Last 2 minutes!
here we already a 1-point
Ganda
lead.
ng laban, Kobe ng Cavite. Gigil.
Imagine earlier, we thought that Bossing Jonah is injured, pero hindi, nag-Chinese get up sa gitna.
Mamba mentality.
Pinard foul.
Nag-mintis si Kali Irving.
Pinard foul.
Ito ba ay may pressure ng nararamdaman si Kali Irving?
Crucial shot that missed
Ay, nasobrahan.
si Kali Irving.
Even Boss Rendon, hype na hype sa laban na ito. Grabe. Naging commentator bigla si Boss Rendon.
Nadagdagan ang commentator.
Nagdagan yung trabaho ko. Ito na, 2-point lead again.
2-point lead.
Oh! Jonah! Jonah!
Bossing Jonah.
Jump ball!
Jump ball. And this is the first jump ball of our game. Ganong katindi ang laban.
14 para sa Blues Brothers. 16
1 minute 51 seconds left. Kali Irving. Dancing on the floor, mid-range shot.
Oh!
It's good. Eman.
Jarek. Oh!
Grabe, Bossing Jonah. Still moving.
Nakita niyo yun. Yung rebounding ng Brusco. Nandyan sila. Talagang.
Kita talaga, kitang-kita talaga kung gaano ka-aggressive ang ating Easy Jersey and Brusco Brothers.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Tatlo ang laban ng Easy Jersey.
Taunting each other. Ayan na, nag-uusap na sa gitna.
Boss Jonah will have a trip to the line.
Trash talking each other. Makikita natin kung sino mapipikon. And once again for the lights and sound, pakiayos na po ang ating lighting. Steady lighting lang po tayo.
Yes po, baka hindi po makadistract sa player po natin.
Once again for our lights and sound, please. Steady white light only.
And Jonah, wow! Completed his 2 free throws.
And they will got the ball back.
1 point ball game, 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Ang tagal pa nito.
Still a 1-point lead for Easy Jersey. And what a defense mode by Kyle Jimenez.
Very wide shot by Kyle Jimenez.
Patay!
Pero ito,
Jonah!
all 17 mga kaibigan, Kali Irving.
Kali Irving pinilit.
Oh! Nice! Defense by Bruce Brothers. And now Jonah. Jonah against Jacob. Buying some time here.
1 minute left.
5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Jonah Reds. Oh! Ang Bruce Brothers. Defense.
Oh! Nakatayo lang!
Lamang na po ang Brusco Brothers.
O-M to the G. Pwede ba magmura, Boss Rendo?
Nakatayo lang eh.
Bawal. Nagbago na.
Ito mga kaibigan ha.
Nasa F.
Oo, nakatayo lang!
Tama.
Para gusto mo patigilin tayo.
Ayun. Tama.
Nagbago na tayo. Nagbago.
Opo, boss. Ito.
Talagang ganon katindi. Super hype si Bossing Jonah.
Pero ito ha, Easy Jersey, Kali Irving. 2 free throws plus ball possession.
Paano to? May request ng challenge yung Bruce Brothers. Pero ito na, nag-free
Oh, Kali Irving, even with that scuffle, still
Tabla tayo.
getting in.
Pero with the pressure, makukumpleto kaya ni Kali Irving ang kanyang free throws.
Let's see.
Again ha.
Ayan, and the taunting from Bossing Jonah.
Hindi ko alam na may ganun din pala. Dinadaga din pala si Kali Irving. No?
Kali Irving now with
Grabe.
15 points.
53 seconds remaining. Ito,
Kali Irving setting up the play.
Bro.
Hesitation. And hits good!
Oh! Kali Irving 16 points.
Ay! Ay! Tapak na! Puta yun yan! Tapak na!
2 points na po.
Oh!
And a foul.
Wow, what a break!
Tapak na eh!
Nakuha mo na dito. Jonah all needs to do is to make his 2 free throws, 2 free throws plus ball possession, plus ball possession.
And imagine, with a few seconds, naka 2 points si Kali Irving.
Pag-free throw mo
1,000 points for Bali and Irving. Bossy
Ito na.
Jonah.
Jonah Renz Jacob.
Bali Irving.
Kali Irving. Irving best si Kali Irving and Jonah.
Jonah, wag!
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. The food, the mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.